what's up? This is Prachi, and first of all, I'm so excited about my new video background. How do you like it? Let me know in the comment section below. And let me know if you also want a room tour. I would be happy to give you a room tour of my studio room. Okay, now starting with today's video, we'll be talking about niacinamide. A lot of you might have already heard about niacinamide, right? It's this wonder ingredient loved by dermatologists, especially for dealing with acne marks and scars. And niacinamide, otherwise, like today we're talking about acne marks and scars especially, but since you're talking about niacinamide, to understand this ingredient, it's also great for dealing with uneven skin tone blemishes to give you just that even textured skin. So you'll see niacinamide in a lot of beauty products these days, but if you're specifically dealing with acne marks and scars, oh my god, those are tough, right? Those are very difficult to get rid of. Like, I think here's the thing with acne. Acne is something that happens to pretty much all of us. If you've never had acne, I'm so jealous of you, really. Acne is something which will happen time and again throughout your life, especially during your teenagers, right? Now, to deal with acne is to get rid of acne, but to deal with acne marks and scars is a whole different story because it can take a very long time. So a lot of people, they end up wearing makeup and things to cover it up, which is understandable, but in the process you end up always having a filter on your face, hiding your skin behind those filters. And honestly, wearing all the makeup and everything is not really helping you deal with the problem, right? So today we are talking about, really, okay. Today we're talking about niacinamide to help you get rid of this problem, to deal with this problem. Now let's first understand what niacinamide even is, okay? What does it do and what it is? In the simplest words, niacinamide is an active form of vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 sounds relatable, right? It's actually an active form of vitamin B3. Niacinamide is also known as niacin. You might have heard that before. It's an ingredient loved by dermatologists. It's an ingredient loved by your skin. It's a heavily researched gold standard ingredient to give you blemish-free skin without the acne marks, okay? So that's what niacinamide does. Very promising sounding, yes. But here's the problem with niacinamide, guys. Not the problem with niacinamide, here's the problem with the products that we get in the market with niacinamide, is that most of the times when you see a product being sold as a niacinamide, cream or serum or this or that, it's just one of the ingredients, okay? And when you look at the ingredient list, it's hardly even there. So even though it contains niacinamide, it contains such less quantity of niacinamide that you don't actually see the difference. So a lot of people kind of lose faith in the ingredients. So what I'll do, guys, I'll just recommend a few things to you. I'll also, in fact, you know what, I'll quickly share a skincare routine with you guys so you actually know how to use niacinamide and what to use. The products that I'm using today are from the brand The Derma Co. I've actually talked about this brand before. You might have heard about them before. The Derma Co is a brand designed by dermatologists, yes. So what we're talking about is skincare products which have been designed by dermatologists, okay? So that's what the brand The Derma Co is all about. It's a very safe, honest, efficient, scientifically designed brand, something that I really trust because, in the name itself, they will mention the percentage of the actives. So I'll just take you through the products one by one as we go through with the routine, okay? So the first step of the routine is to clean the skin really well. Before you apply niacinamide, you want your skin to be clean because we're trying to fix a skin problem. You can't fix a problem if your skin is dirty, okay? So for this, I'm using the 3% AHA BHA foaming face wash. It's designed for all skin types. It contains mandelic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and it's a dermatologically tested day and night face wash. So this is a routine you want to, by the way, this routine you want to follow as a part of your morning and evening routine. The same routine you follow twice a day, okay? It's a dermatologically tested, paraben and SLS-free formula, and you just have to take a little bit, use it to clean your skin really well, and yes, pat your skin dry. Now after you have cleaned your skin, now it's an AHA BHA cleanser, which I'm sure a lot of you already know this. It's basically something which will clean your skin from the top, from the surface, also from inside, okay? These are alpha hydroxy acids, beta hydroxy acids, which help in cleaning your skin. Again, very safe ingredients. The word uses acid, but it's actually very safe, okay? So your skin is squeaky clean, all right? Now after cleaning your skin really well and patting your skin dry, we're going to take the niacinamide serum. So what I have here with me is a 10% niacinamide face serum designed for acne marks. It contains Cica water, niacinamide, zinc, and once again a day and night serum which is dermatologically tested and fragrance free. And in case you haven't noticed, the name itself says 10% niacinamide, so here you know what you're going for. You don't have to look for the ingredient niacinamide in the ingredient list. You know exactly what you're going for. This is why I think, the Derma Co is such a safe, honest, effective brand, like a brand designed by dermatologists with the actives really mentioned very clearly. It's very safe. However, by the way, guys, if any of these ingredients are new for you, do a patch test. Of course, that goes without saying. So now, I'm kind of deviating from the topic. We have washed the face. Now we're going to apply the serum. So let me just quickly show you the texture. It's a nice lightweight texture. There is no fragrance in the formula. It's a fragrance-free formula and absorbed very quickly into the skin. So we're just going to take a few drops, apply it to our face, to the neck, dab it, apply it gently. And as soon as the skin absorbs it all, we are going to lock it in with a moisturizer, because serums have actives, okay, very tiny, powerful actives, which can kind of escape out if you don't lock it in. So we're just going to lock it in with a nice moisturizer. So you can use a hyaluronic acid based moisturizer with niacinamide. That's a great option. If you're following this routine during the daytime, you might also definitely want to lock it with another layer of this product, which is a broad spectrum sunscreen. Okay, any broad spectrum sunscreen that you really like. Using a sunscreen is very important, guys, because obviously we're trying to heal the skin, but sun damage will not let your skin heal. It will actually damage your skin further. So make sure you use a broad spectrum sunscreen, and that's all you have to do. It's as simple as that. Cleansing with something which will clean your skin really well. So an AHA BHA cleanser is a great option, like the one I just showed you. And then use a niacinamide serum, because we're treating it, so a serum will go to the deeper layers and treat your problem from deep within. And then of course lock in with a moisturizer and a sunscreen if required. If it's a daytime, use a sunscreen. That's it. Now guys, here are a few things I want to mention. There's a routine you want to follow diligently, okay, and like I said, as a part of your AM PM routine, do it twice a day, okay, because this is all very safe, very gentle, dermatologist approved and everything, but your skin will take its own time, right? So if you really want to see the best of results, if you want like really even textured skin without any marks and all of that, you want to follow it properly and diligently for a while. For the products, by the way, the products that I've shared in today's video, I will share all the links in the description box below. Now these products are available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart as well, but if you buy it directly from the Derma Co, you can use this coupon code SWS2022, that's SWS2022 for flat 20% off across website, not just on these products but across website, except for the products in the combo packs. Those are already discounted. So and yeah, that's it. That's all I want to share. The coupon code and the website link I will share in the description box below. You can check it out, okay? And guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. Very simple routine, and I hope in this video I have been able to explain what niacinamide is all about and what it does. If you still have any questions, of course, feel free to ask your questions with me in the comment section below. I would love to hear you guys out. I would love to help you guys out. I know acne marks, blemishes, and the scars can seem very tiresome, can be very difficult, can seem very hard to get rid of. They are stubborn, but with the right ingredients you are completely sorted, okay? Like with this routine, especially because of niacinamide, we can deal with the scars. It also helps you in dealing with the regular occurrence of breakouts. That will also reduce with this routine, and it also helps in retaining the moisture. So why not, right? You will have soft, supple, healthy, glowing, even textured skin in no time, but follow this routine. And yes guys, on that note, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is okay. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.